Narrative writing can be tough for students, especially when they're unsure how to begin or what to include. The C-Space strategy gives them a clear framework for planning and writing engaging stories. It's part of the SRSD model, which builds self-regulation and confidence through structured support. C-Space stands for characters, setting, purpose, action, conclusion, emotion. Let's walk through each step with teacher tips to help you implement it effectively. Start with characters. Students should decide who's in the story and what makes those characters interesting or relatable. Example: Lena is a curious 10-year-old who loves solving mysteries. Teacher tip: use character graphic organizers to help students brainstorm traits, motivations, and relationships. Encourage them to think beyond names. What makes their character unique? Next is setting. Where and when does the story take place? A strong setting helps readers visualize the world of the story. Example: the story takes place in a quiet mountain town during winter. Teacher tip: have students sketch or describe their setting using sensory details. What do they see, hear, smell, or feel? Anchor charts with descriptive vocabulary can support this step. Now identify the purpose of the story. What is the main goal or message the writer wants to communicate? The purpose helps guide the direction of the narrative and gives the story meaning. A story's purpose might be to show a lesson, highlight a personal experience, or demonstrate how a character changes over time. Example: the purpose of Lena's story is to show that perseverance helps people overcome challenges. Teacher tip: ask students questions like, what do you want readers to understand after reading your story? Or what lesson does your character learn? This helps students focus their narrative and make sure the events support a clear message. Then comes action. What events happen in the story? Action moves the story forward and shows how the character works toward their goal. Example: Lena follows clues through the forest, searching for the hidden treasure. Teacher tip: use story maps to help students plan a sequence of events. Encourage them to include rising action and a climax to keep the story engaging. Next is conclusion. How does the story end? The conclusion should resolve the events of the story and connect back to the purpose. Example: after solving the mystery, Lena realizes that her determination helped her succeed. Teacher tip: teach students to avoid abrupt endings. Encourage them to show how the story's events lead to a final outcome or lesson. Finally, emotion. How does the character feel throughout the story? Emotion adds depth and helps readers connect with the character. Example: Lena felt nervous at first, but her excitement grew as she got closer to solving the mystery. Teacher tip: use emotion charts or feeling word banks to help students expand their emotional vocabulary. Encourage them to show emotions through actions and dialogue, not just state them. C-Space helps students write narratives that are structured, meaningful, and engaging. It gives them a clear roadmap for storytelling while building self-regulation and confidence as writers. Remember, model each step with clear examples. Use graphic organizers and anchor charts. Encourage creativity and reflection. Celebrate growth in storytelling. With C-Space, students don't just write stories. They learn how to organize their ideas, develop meaningful narratives, and connect with their readers. Ready to help your students become confident storytellers with C-Space?